routine is coming up pretty soon on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. In that video I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows. And as you guys know, I have hooded eyes, so that video is going to be really helpful, so please stay tuned. Now with the spoolie I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup, this step is must for me. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Studio 35. No, this one is from Eco Tools. And I'm taking this Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Statement from my Profusion Cosmetics Wanderlust palette, and I'm applying it as my transition color with a big fluffy blending brush from Pune store. And taking little by little product, I'm just slowly building it up so that there is no patchiness at all. Now I am taking Enigma, which is a dark matte peacock blue shade, and I am applying it on my outer V area with this e.l.f. brush. And you can see I am just stamping it. I am not like blending it right away because that way it may become patchy. So I always suggest you to first tap it and then blend it with the matte shadows especially. Now I'm applying the same shade on my crease. And again I'm just slowly building it up so that there is no patchiness. favorite Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. And this is actually my second bottle. I completely finished my last one, so I had to repurchase it. And you guys can imagine how much I love this foundation. It is full coverage, it is very long lasting, perfect for oily skinned girls out there. I have dry skin, I still enjoy it, though it is very full coverage, but it does not become heavy or cakey. Now for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. And I'm just blending it out using my Wet n Wild beauty sponge. Yes, I changed the sponge because my Eco Tool sponge just fell on the floor and I did not want to use that one on my face, so I had to change it. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun loose powder again with the same damp beauty sponge, and I'm setting my smile lines as well as my under eyes, and you can see I'm pushing the powder in. That way my concealer will not crease. To set my entire makeup, I am taking this SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 and I'm setting my entire makeup. And this is again my second time purchase because I finished my last one completely. What a beautiful powder. It just sets your makeup, does not make your skin look dry, and it also adds a little bit of coverage. Now I'm just finishing my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy eyeliner pencil in the shade Jet Black. Taking the matte peacock blue shade, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using an angled brush, again from Pune store. Taking Splash, which was the shimmery blue shade, I am applying it on the middle part of my lower lash line. Actually, I am just repeating the order of my eyelid. I'm just applying the green shade on the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Milani highlighter, which I'll be using on my face later on. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For my falsies, I'm going with these Ardell Double Up Lashes in the style 113. Beautiful lashes. And here is the final eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. For me personally, I think this look is very similar to a peacock feather. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm going to finish my the rest of my makeup. So for that, I'm taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Chocolate, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face using an angled brush, again from Pune store. And this particular bronzer, it's a matte bronzer and it is perfect for contouring for my skin tone. It is not too warm toned, it is not too cool toned, and it creates a beautiful shadow. It looks so natural on my skin and it is very long lasting at the same time. To contour my nose, I am using an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. I'm taking this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Tan and I'm just bronzing up my face because this particular bronzer has a very prominent warm red undertone. It is perfect for bronzing up my face. And I'm taking this blush from Becca. This is I think in the shade Nightingale. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And I'm applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. This blush is so pigmented, so please be careful if you are using this particular blush. I'm taking the same Milani highlighter and I am just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques. And you know the drill, right? My cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as the center of my forehead. to set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte setting spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup. Again, this is my favorite setting spray and it keeps your makeup matte and long lasting for a really long period of time. Now I'm just lining my lips using my Milani Color Statement lip liner in the shade 12. Love the formula but do not like the packaging at all. I have to sharpen it, and whenever I do so, I lose a lot of product and it is a complete waste of money. Now I'm applying a lipstick. This is my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Prey. Such a stunning pink shade. Of course you can use any like nude lipstick, but I am a dark lipstick girl. And that is pretty much it. And here's the complete look. Please let me know your thoughts on this look in the comment section down below. For me personally, I am super duper impressed the way it came out. It is so glam, so colorful, and I love colorful makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And I'm listing all the products, their shades, their purchase link, everything in the description bar down below, so do not forget to check that out as well. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.